Unpacking the Prizzi embroidery machine. Remove the shipping bolts. Install the lower support bar and turn the stand upright. Install the crossbar. Turn the stand over again. Remove the bolts securing the stand wheels. Install the wheels and leveling feet. Turn the table upright and fully tighten all bolts. The standard package includes rubber vibration damping pads for machine installation and an oil bottle, a power cable, pliers, tweezers, and a zip bag with spare parts, springs, bobbin cases, needles, a thread reciprocator, and bobbins. The accessory set also includes a USB flash drive, screwdrivers of different sizes, hoop mounting screws, and a spare needle plate. Hex keys for installation and assembly, a screwdriver, scissors, a threading wire, and the bolts for securing the machine head to the stand are also included. Remove the bolts, securing the machine to the shipping pallet. Install the 4 mounting bolts and tighten them securely. Unpack the Dahau control panel. Unpack the table brackets and the tabletop. Unpack the border embroidery frame. The machine comes with a set of hoops in different sizes, plus an additional matching set. This allows one hoop to be prepared while the machine is running the current design. If the machine is equipped with a cap embroidery device, the package also includes the cap frame holder. Secure the device to the table, install the mechanism, and press the locking clamps into place. Open the latch and position the cap. Make sure to unfasten the cap strap and insert the cap fully into the frame. Clamp the cap in place using the locking mechanism and secure it with the special clips. Remove the cap from the holder, take it out, and install it on the machine for embroidery. If the machine is powered off, the cap frame can be rotated manually to the required position. Position the cap and secure it. The machine is now ready for cap embroidery. Proceed to install the bobbin winder. Install the brackets into the mounting holes and secure them from the rear side using a wrench. Install the bobbin, thread it, and tighten it in place. Switch on the device and press the start button. The bobbin winding process will begin. The winder stops automatically when the thread reaches the sensor position. The amount of thread wound on the bobbin can be adjusted by moving the sensors forward or backward.